Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to send money with Xoom. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually send money with Xoom? So this one is actually pretty easy. You just need to follow the steps that we'll be telling you for you to do this. So first thing you need to do here is you need to begin the process by entering the desired amount you wish to send on the website or in the mobile application. Now from there, supply the essential recipient details such as their full name, address, and contact number. Now next step, you need to choose a convenient pickup location for your recipient. Now with options available at easily accessible places like Walmart and RIA for United States. Now a first step here is you need to make the payment using any of the available methods via their system. Now, you'll need to include the following details. So that includes your account or bank account, your credit card, your debit card, or through your PayPal account. So you could go ahead and choose whatever method that you want to use as a payment method for this transaction. So this flexibility ensures a hassle-free transaction experience. But yeah, so for that recipient to pick up or to receive the money, they just need to have the transaction details, and from there, they just need to visit a location where Xoom is supported. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.